Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear.
It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue, and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine. And the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much, and they also experience... Mbappe!
Yeah, just thinking about the goalkeeper again, he really had to be at his best, didn't he?
Messi. And here's Pirlo.
That's just very well played. He can hurt you with his back to goal, and he didn't go for the back heel.
And here's Torres. Mbappe. He could be in here. Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there. Mbappe plays it out to the wing. He gets past his man. And they've been caught out here. Fabian Ruiz tries to get it forward quickly. It's come through and he's had a quick look inside. They've managed to get it away. And it's played forward. And here's Torres. And Torres! The crowd reaction tells you just how close that was.
Look, I'm sure he'll deny it, Peter, but the keeper didn't have that covered.
Well played, he saw that coming. Maldini drives it forward. Just brushed off the ball there. He's on his way. He's in! Torres! It's a carbon copy of the previous miss.
They're just lacking a cutting edge, Peter, and while that's fairly obvious, the rest of their attacking play is actually quite good.
And it's Messi. Pirlo eyeing that space. It was a move that looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. Beckham. Needed a better pass there. Heading towards half-time, and it is still scoreless. Vieira. That's not going to make it. Nedved. Ball's loose, who's getting there? He's not played the ball, that's a foul. And there is the half-time whistle. So neither team has broken through, but certainly not for the want of trying. It's been an interesting game up to now, but still goalless. How's the first half compared with your expectation?
Well, they look lost for ideas and lacking in talent, which all contributes to a chronic case of impotence.
So they head in no further forward. The score here, still 0-0. That's the start of another 45 minutes. No score in the first half. Who's ready to go for it now? Good challenge, he just stood firm. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Mbappe. Owen. Oh no, that's not the ball he wanted. He spotted the run and played him through. And he's on his way! Has a pop! He's scored!
And that has only enhanced his already huge reputation. They were obviously hoping for an early second-half boost, but there are a few who can truly make it happen, and this is a very welcome tonic now.
The lightness of step, the sharpness of movement, the certainty of finish.
That's always a great sight, you know, on a football pitch. Nimble-footed, showed great balance and a really cool head to finish. And that kind of dribbling is really smart.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot on, and it was.
Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Who's ball? Who's going to get there? Alexander-Arnold. Forward it goes. Oh, good interception. Mbappe. Robertson goes looking. He's got through. Mbappe has a shot! Oh, what a wonderful stop!
Mbappe really must have felt he had the measure of the keeper then, but how wrong he was.
Up to meet it! And that's caused a worry or two.
Mbappe did give it a fair old crack, and he'll be encouraged to step up again.
Alaba. Vieira plays it forward. It's got through to him. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. That looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Maldini gets it back. Pirlo.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Pirlo.
Well, it remains to be seen whether they can come up with that little bit of class to rescue the situation, and it needs to be...
He ran himself into trouble there. Free kick given away.
Yeah, he may feign to shoot and just play it into the box.
Off the post!
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Almost there, and the players can feel it. Added time is up, and there goes the whistle. Terrific contest. It really might have tipped either way. The margins were tiny, just a goal in it, but that was enough.
Yeah, it was a fairly stern test with very little between two teams that scrapped for everything.
So we've reached the end of our coverage for today. Many thanks to Jim Beglin alongside me, and we'll both see you next time.